Here's a Chaparral 21 H2O. This is the sport version. And this is powered by an outboard Yamaha 4-stroke 150. This is new for 2017. It's very similar to the Suncoast with a couple changes. Here, this does have the deluxe package, so you do have your stereo controls back in here, along with a couple upgrades inside. We'll step aboard here. We do have the boarding ladder. Coming aboard, one of the changes is the sun platform back down here, which you can lay on or flip these seats up to walk through. Plenty of storage space down below. A bimini top, full boat cover. Storage underneath the seats. Oops. Grab it here. Hard to get with one hand. There we go. Cooler. Additional space there as well. There is no restroom. That's what's different about this than the Suncoast. Storage space down below. Dual seats here with flip-up bolsters. Digital depth finder. This has the upgraded stereo system on it as well. Walk-through door on the bow. Storage space here and here. And storage below here as well. And that is the Chaparral 21 H2O OB Sport.